Chapter 4. Inspection Procedure. Your respirator must be inspected before each use as well as during cleaning in order to ensure that it's in good operating condition. Any damaged or defective parts must be replaced before use. Do not enter a contaminated area if parts are damaged or defective. To properly inspect the respirator, the following 9 procedures are recommended. 1. Check the facepiece for cracks, tears, and dirt. 2. Make sure the facepiece, especially the face seal area, is not distorted. 3. Examine inhalation valves for signs of distortion, cracking, or tearing. 4. Make sure that the head straps are intact and properly elastic. 5. Examine all plastic parts for signs of cracking or fatiguing. 6. Ensure the bayonet gaskets are in good condition. 7. Remove the exhalation valve cover, examining the exhalation valve and valve seat for signs of distress. 8. Examine the speaking diaphragm for any more signs. 9. Replace the exhalation valve cover and inspect the lens for any damage that may impair the respirator performance or vision. Once inspection is completed, you may put the respirator on.